You are told there is only one way in. 4 years of school, perfect grades, unpaid internships, a resume that looks exactly like everyone else's. That is the story they sell, but it is not the truth. Because while most people are busy refreshing job boards, Rolls Royce quietly opened a side door into one of the most elite engineering worlds on the planet. And almost nobody your age knows it exists. Picture this. You step inside a facility that feels unreal. Steel everywhere, carbon fiber, precision tools laid out like surgical instruments, jet engines that will cross oceans. Built by people who never chase attention, but quietly shape the future. And here is the twist. Most of the people working here did not start in aerospace. They came from cars, from energy, from manufacturing floors where mistakes were not allowed. Rolls Royce looked at them and said, "We do not need you to start over. We will retrain you." That sentence alone changes everything. Now pause right here. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the channel where we break down careers in luxury, tech, and lifestyle. Tap subscribe so you do not miss the paths that change everything. Because what comes next is the part they never glamorize. This is pressure with consequences. One bad tolerance can ground an aircraft. One lazy calculation can cost millions. Your work does not disappear after a bad day. It gets reviewed, audited, remembered. That is why this path pays. Because pressure filters out tourists. This is what the job actually looks like. You design systems that cannot fail. You test components until weakness shows. You document every decision like your name is carved into it forever. No hype, no shortcuts, just precision. And that precision comes with a payoff. This path routinely leads to 6-figure salaries and a resume line that changes how people treat you. Once Rolls Royce Aerospace is on your profile, recruiters stop scrolling. They start listening. Here is the part most people miss. You do not walk in saying you want to learn aerospace. You walk in saying you have built systems where failure was not an option. You understand safety. You understand accountability. You understand pressure. Same skills. Bigger arena. Then you prove how your brain works. You show that you think in systems, that you understand process, that you can collaborate without ego, not with vibes, with proof. And finally, you apply through the switch path, not the main entrance, the side door built for people who already earned their edge. Most people never even see it. You do not want endless internships. You do not want to be told to wait your turn. This path rewards skill and the courage to move early. Most people will scroll past this and keep applying the same way, but a few will take the cheat code. Discover more in the description about becoming working in this luxury industry. For more videos like this, check out the next video on screen. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. This is No Brainer Biz, where the future stops waiting.